Explain the introduction to structural steel. For outlining steel structures, we ought to know what are steel structures. A structure which is produced using composed mix of structural steel parts intended to give sufficient measure of quality and solidity is known as steel structural. Before talking about further, we must know the background of structural steel. As we know, steels comprise practically altogether of iron, around 98%, and little amounts of carbon, silicon, manganese, sulfur, phosphorus and different components. Also, amounts of carbon influences properties of steel the most. Structured steels is grouped into three classes by ASTM as carbon steels, high-strength low-alloy steels, and alloy steels with the given classifications. Structural member is physically differentiable piece of structure with free structural capacity. Illustration part, components, link, shafts, areas, and so on. Steel structure disadvantages: upkeep costs, fire security, fireproofing expenses, defenselessness to clasping disappointment, exhaustion, weak break. At the point when and where we utilize steel structures. We utilize steel structures as a part of long-span structures, multi-story and elevated structures, structures of substantial obligation plants, tower and pole structures, entrance outlines, spans, bases, deployable structures, summed-up structures, mechanical. Most importantly, steel structures encourage simplicity of manufacture and speedier erection of structure. The focal points of utilizing steel structure are high quality for every unit of weight, more modest weight of structures, consistency, flexibility, dependable, durability, simple association, pace of erection, capacity to be moved into different sizes and shapes, conceivable reuse and recyclable. Related terms are